Okay, got the latch. Oh, you know what I could do too is make sure when that's closed, this latch is going to go in nice and easy into the deadbolt. And I think it is, because see, if you're hitting the strike plate or anything like that, you got to remember this is only going to be closing with the battery, with the power in and out. You see what I'm saying? So you want to make sure you've got enough clearance there and stuff. And we can check that too after I get this installed with the thumb turn on the inside and all that kind of stuff. Well, the next thing they say is to install this outside piece. Remember, because our hole is 2 1/8 inches in diameter, not 1.5 inches. We want to leave this plate on like that. Okay, and then you'll notice this right here has a definite little round bit at the top. Do you see it? It's kind of hard to see, but you got to make sure that's facing up. And then they say this fits in underneath the latch, the strike deadbolt latch. Okay, so we're going to get this opened like so. Okay, and we'll make sure this cat doesn't want to come in here. I don't know where she is right now. And they tell you to have this out because that little thing's got the side has the little thing on it. See the curved bit right there is facing to the right because I have this closed. Okay, now I have this out. This is facing up, right, with the little curly cube up. Do you see? And we have this facing up like we're supposed to. Okay. Yeah, see, one little silly thing like that could throw you off if you weren't paying attention, right? Oh, here comes Pip. She cannot go outside. Hey, go on back, go on back. She is an inside cat. If she goes outside, who knows? Who knows if I'll ever find her again. Maybe that would be a good thing, right? Sometimes. Okay, so I'm gonna push this underneath. I'm gonna make sure I got that facing up, like that, and I can either hold that or I can push it right up against the door. And I don't think it matters. I don't think this matters how it goes. I don't think. You know, maybe I should read the directions. There's a little, no, that's good. I was thinking maybe there was something that holds this on the back, but there's not. Okay, and I'm gonna get that. Oh, good grief, come on. Oh, here we go, there. Okay, and that's how that's gonna look. That looks kind of nice. It does look kind of nice on there. I think it'll be fine. Okay, so much for that. That's your next step. And now it's all about hooking up the front. I got to kind of keep this closed. Silly kitties around here. Okay, I'll read the directions for the next little bit. We'll get ready to go and put that on there. Okay, here's the inside plate, and this is where I'm going to put the screws in here. And see this little notched area down here at the bottom? That's where I want the cable that's coming out of here. Let's see. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. I'm putting that in there, and then I'm just going to push the cable down into that little groove there, and now I can kind of hold that on there, and then it says I gotta hold the outside, you know, the same time as I do the inside. That's going to be tricky in itself. And then fish for the screws holes, and make sure, there it goes, make sure you can twist it in a little bit with your fingers, because if you can't, you don't want to say, oh, I'll just put it in there. I can ram it in there. Get my my battery operated drill, and you ram it in there, and then find out that it's not actually going, and you're going to cross thread it or something. Okay. Come on. See this side? It's not wanting to go just yet. Oh, because I didn't have it lined up on the outside. Okay. I want to make sure I can start tightening it up. If it's starting to go hard right now, then you're going to want to kind of jiggle it around to make sure you've got the threads going in there right. Okay. And boy. Okay, there it goes. Before I get it tight all the way, I'll have to go outside, make sure that's straight, and then hold everything up there. You know, I'm going to need to make sure the outside's straight and this inside is straight before tightening this all the way up. Okay. So I'm going to work on that. I'm going to get it almost tight. And then I can kind of move things around, line things up, because of course I want this straight up and down. I want the outside straight up and down. And then I can crank those two tight, hand tight, snug as a bug in a rug. Don't use your battery operated drill for that, please.